the blood enters the right atrium through the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava, which is here. And here. It enters the right atrium at the same time. These veins are bringing blood to the heart. The superior vena cava is especially larger than the inferior one. Once it enters the right atrium, it goes into the second chamber of the heart, which is the right ventricle. In order to move into the right ventricle, the blood must go through a valve, which is there to stop the blood from moving in the wrong direction or going backwards. This valve is called the tricuspid valve, and it is called that because it has 3 flaps. So after entering the right ventricle, the blood then goes up the pulmonary valve, pulmonary meaning lungs. So then it splits into the left pulmonary artery and the right pulmonary artery. Artery means that it's taking the blood away from the heart, and it is now going into the lungs. The blood that is entering these arteries are blue because it does not contain oxygen. Once it gets to the lungs, it will pick up oxygen. It's also blue because of the carbon dioxide in it. After collecting oxygen from the lungs, the oxygenated blood enters the right ventricle and then goes into the left ventricle, and then enters the left atrium by going through the mitral valve. It then has to go through another valve which takes it to this big aorta.
This is my aorta.
This valve over here is called the aortic valve because it takes the blood to the aorta.